Hebben we staan op een klein gessel in Williamsburg. Man noemt hij dit, Moshe Yossi Lowy.
Hello,
Hello, good to see you. The only advice is was dit zich into the gate to.
Let me show you.
Oh, Moshe Yossi, I say probably lots of my followers got stuff already was from inside their building. But they just don't know.
Let's discover them the secret. Come on,
let's show them the secret.
Come in.
Wow.
So laten we omvangen met de papele buffet box. Okay, with the Maroon Dot, they use, see hoe het frisch van gaan, kan het aanbrengen buffet box. You can see it's a box that comes, the donuts are not going to do because we make sure it should be 100% fresh. Wow. So gaat met 2 zaken, 4 zaken gaat je met UPS. So it comes with toppings. You could see it comes with Lotus Crunch, whatever, all types of good toppings. The stickers are nog niet erover geliked. Ze komt met napkins, you know, to the perfection. Tellers, leffelig.
Wow, this is the famous buffet box.
The famous buffet box. The famous buffet box with the fresh donuts, with the toppings, with toegepakt, van Duaro's geschikt. And from here, it comes to your Chanukah party table to enjoy, either to your clients, either. The mala van deze is, that's usually our, in the Maroon Dot, you can't buy for yourself. It's only for companies. This you can literally buy for yourself. You can order for your party. A buffet box and enjoy it.
Wow, so this is buffet. It's funny, I saw it all the time and I always wanted to see where they make it. So do machen wir das, they pack it all so nice and neat with the stecken. So what's this meant for again?
So deze gemaakt dus eraan te stekken. We kunnen dan like 1 donut, of 3 donuts, of 4 en eraan whatever.
Beautiful. So what made what's this Dan company? What the buffet box is? What does Maroon Dot do?
Okay, so Maroon Dot it's basically 2 main things. One is we call it SOD. And one is what we do now in the holidays. So SOD is, we have a lot of grassroots companies who come to us, if it's mortgage brokers, real estate, insurance companies, they want to send a gift every time they have a new client. It's a closing or they're eindelijk a host, they want to send them something. So we have a lot of type of gifts that I'm going to show you in a minute that we customize with the logo, nicely branded. And help me do, whenever they want to ship out something, they send us a message and someone overstelt the ganze system, a portal, where they put in the address, they put in a note, and we ship it out with a custom note in the 24 hours. Finny and close the deal, Yen can have a beautiful gift by zich in the heim, with the company's logo, with our personal load far aim, everything done to perfection, unkan hassle, unkan pressure of the gift to our lines, delivered to the mensch.
Wow.
Yeah, and
Deze are
Yiddish. This is
a
real
deal by you. You do a close to a house with a client.
Correct.
Ship the client a gift automatic.
Yes.
Ship the message, the address with the note, and it's shipped.
True. It's a game changer. Van de hand tegen veld. So many deals are done over Zoom or over. It's such a world that a move like my guy, my flick shaking the hands, nog maar gemaakt dat deal. And today's days, they come out like it's so hard. So sometimes you want to have the personal touch, like the personal feeling, and by sending something, you give the personal, like company schicken iedereen en hebben een arbiter. Ga company schick whenever they have a birthday of one of their big clients, they have big clients, them sending a birthday gift. Every birthday. They receive a gift in the mail.
In the mail deal shown the logo van de company, just
all information. All information, right.
Wow. So dan is het beste van een gift stack.
Right, so laten we de vazen. Oké, nog zeg nummer 2 is, bij de holidays dat de mensen willen schicken een bulk, mensen maken een party, zeggen maken het een bulk ogen, dus mensen kunnen schicken 150, whatever, 1000, the more the better.
Legit. 1000 buffet boxes kan ze schicken.
Absolutely.
Dus de grootste company wil orderen buffet boxes, kan slaan de logo ook het.
The logo, so yeah, we have an option. Deze guy, we can do like a sticker, notes.
Nice.
Okay, laten we de vazen nog een option van buffet. Whatever, there's a lot of beautiful stuff. So this is a Shabbos party box. So you see, it comes with a lot of different type of snacks. The candies, the munchies, Chanukah geld chocolates, a game, 2 minute games, popcorn, napkins, like a geherige on a Shabbos noch Mittag, enjoying with the family. It's a beautiful idea. Creative. Zij creative.
Nice.
Yeah, let me show you. Laten we de vazen een beetje van in zijn stuff doen.
So deze liggen bij de holidays met Chanukah, that's the buffet box.
That's the buffet box.
All year round.
All year round. So the all year round kan men ook orderen yet. So aan het einde van de orderen van de holidays, we'll be more than happy to take care of them. Nicht van alle hebben een genik, but try, reach out, and we'll take care of you. Okay, so just to show you our gifts. Most of them come in a nice white box. Ga zeggen, we skimmen niet stem, but zij zeggen, komt in een shine wassen box. Now take a look. Kijk, de licht is ongezien, wat special ongezien. Smell.
Oh wow,
right. It comes in a coconut shell, a coconut flavored nut candle. Delicious. And of them skip met shine diffuser, met that very nice diffuser. You can look, you turn it on. It comes with a light. Very nice. It smells delicious. Everything
You
comes.
get everything to fit exactly into the foam over here.
Right. So to make a gift, when we design a gift, it takes around 6 months from when we start, minimum 6 months from when we start the idea until it comes to life, because everything needs to be tested, and also everything what's shipped from here, we make sure it should arrive nicer than it was shipped out. So everything comes in foams to make sure it doesn't move around. When you have it off the box, it's on the place wie ze daar zijn.
Okay, cool. Can I schrikken over
You're
here?
Solid. The shipping boxes, if you want to feel it, it's like plywood. Everything is try to bend it.
Wow, it's hard.
Yeah. It's everything is strong to perfection. Ze komt met de gids van de shipping box komt als lief ogen als dat as you know the corner shouldn't bump. It should come crispy. Let me show you another idea. These are coffee bags. Ze komt met Philomena coffees, all different flavors. Ze komt met a coffee grinder. You put in the beans in the grinder. You grind them. You have a filter where you put it into the filter.
Jeez, original.
Yeah,
cute. So you can put a company logo on the
on the mug. You can put a company logo. You can put on the box. I'm going to show you later. You can put on the box actually a nice met dan wordt see like a slogan. Here you have a cocktail box, also a beautiful box. It comes with a pop insanity.
Get the popcorn.
Okay, this is
Crunchy
nuts. This is beautiful, echte shine nuts. So ik heb met de shine cocktail set, met de poer van de popular cocktail bottles. This is our most famous gift, most probably. Ik geloof dat mensen over de Shabbat kriegen. It's our boondocks with the cigars. We sold tons of it. Very popular cigars, our boondocks. Here we have it with a flask. This is the new. This is also very new. Let me show you. This comes with for the other dover, a 1942 tequila comes with lime. So we have dried lime over here, made in-house. CRC,
No way, dried lime.
Dried lime at the house.
1942 tequila. Shulam, this is for you. Hey, 1942 tequila. Wow, this is good.
We have this in a big box. Damals komt dus ook met de salt. Echt komt dus met zout en met lime. So we have it with the salt, with the big, nice cigars. This comes with a nice wooden cigar cutter.
A cigar cutter. This is great.
Right.
How about Noah? So the name of that company. So let's say a company orders this box over here. Likes the logo on top. Jede mula signed a contract with item of a deal. A zweite client sends you the address, and boom, it gets shipped out.
And boom, it's shipped out. And it could be with a custom note. That means as before Jenner's nog gekomen te zeggen, he have it already in
24 hours later,
24 hours.
Bas aan tier.
With a custom note. It's unbelievable. The impact, like the feeling. He's still in the excitement, and booms.
Holiday dish do. What's it this?
Ja, so in some of the große, we have a lot of, so gewas no do mamish a mixes, a small portion of what we have. We have a lot of loose side dishes. This is a beautiful cake dish. It a delicious chocolate babka, weiß man sogar frisch, gemacht do in Wilhelmsburg, Ungarisch. So we have the real stuff. Baruch Hashem sold a lot of it, and people really appreciate it. Like mensen schicken deze for Shabbos. They want to send something like they made a closing. They want to send them for Shabbos. Other schicken deze met tababke. Other schicken deze met tababke. Mensen like het Javan. And it's something. I went down to a client of mine who received that, and zoekt me als jede dag. Zijn waar blijkt eraan lemon cake in this. In the zaag was it, you're right. And so you can have your logo on it. It's beautiful, it's a shine. Some of the candy dishes, a lot of loose side.
Wie kan einer zijn alle dan options die hast?
So they can look on the website.
What's the website?
So it says Maroon, Maroon, Gifts, GIFTS. They can reach out to me, 646-420-3418.
Haben ich gedacht, WhatsApp kann man schicken?
WhatsApp, alles. WhatsApp, email, they can even see the office, whatever. I just give them all the phone numbers, whatever. They can reach out to me. Either I'm going to take care of them, or I'm going to make sure as I know them kid care of them, right?
Wow.
Yeah, Chaim, let me ask you, what I would like to make for you one gift.
Oh, wow.
Hoeveel stiekje kan we zijn krijgen?
Should we do a vote on status? This is heilig. This is gorgeous. This is yummy. It's a bisschen scharf, but I'm not such a big alcoholic, noch nicht.
Not yet.
But the 1942 can jeder guy invent.
Okay.
The 1942 over here.
Here we go. Let's customize you. Let's show you how it's gonna look with your logo, special for you.
Let's go.
Let's do this. Okay, so Chaim.
Nice. This is a beauty. Stell dir vor, ich bekomme das von einem. The ganze Chanukah will be anders.
Now you actually got it.
I got it. Nice.
Yeah.
So
hope you enjoy it.
Ja, lass mal so
This,
open.
right.
Have a cake, the cigars do. We will come for smoke with me. Anyway, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Stell dir your company gets this look of Chanukah. You can send it to all your employees, send it to your workers, send it to your staff, send it to your clients. Wow.
Absolutely. Everyone can order this. Actually, jeder kann das ordern, jeder kann es rausschicken. Das mit der Note, angepackt schein. Sie kommt nun schöner, wie es rausgefunden von du. Nicely, we make special custom shipping boxes. Sie kommt nun, whoever received already, can either sagen, it's to the perfection.
Es kommt tun 100% perfection.
100% perfection. Ich kann mir nicht mal please sagen, was meinst du sagen, ist ja. Because we want to take care of it. Ich kann nicht kein kein Kritik.
Ich habe lieb von dich, als die stellst sie essen noch.
Ja.
Ich so gegen Papke mit den Buffet-Box.
Right.
Komm, please, essen, die stellst sie ja frische Papke, frische Donut.
And it's a real, wenn sie kommt zu essen.
Donuts, du machst
Ja, so lassen wir das Wasser. Wenn sie kommt, dann sie essen, most of the wichtigste Sachen ist, it needs to arrive, also wie alles müssen kommt zu perfection, sie müssen kommen frisch. So du hast eine Maschine, das du wird like the donuts, wird special, get gesealed, als in order, wenn sie kommt zu den Menschen, it should still be fresh. Und sie ist jetzt schon im Mittentag, the donuts sind noch schon gekommen, sie dachten darauf von der Sachboxes, simply because it comes a few hours before it goes into the UPS. Wenn sie kommt zu den Menschen, noch manchmal raus von Oven. Noch war frische Donuts. Yeah, so again, Chaim, feel free to, whoever listens to this, feel free to reach out to my phone number, 646-420-3418. Ich hoffe, es ist like on the screen. Sai for the Maroon Dot, Sai for Buffet Box. It would be my honor and pleasure to help with anything around corporate gifting. This is by the holidays, this is mitten the year, this is stamp questions. We do a lot of custom stuff as well. Get more gifting, I'm not promotional, but more bigger, nicer gifting options. It would be my honor and pleasure. Thank you so much. Chaim.
That's it.
Yeah.
The Perlowitz.
Minus lohnt sich die F in my business just to have you here. It's unbelievable, by the way.
Score it.
Yeah.